Hi friends, welcome back. And this is Lokesh, and today we are going to discussing about a dynamic value change into JSON format. Okay, JSON file you can able to say. In the last video we have seen for CSV file. From the CSV file we have read the value. What we have done, we have read the data from CSV, and then we are replace those things values into JSON place, right? And JSON template we are used in the code level, correct? Uh, this is the JSON template. Okay. Instead of using JSON template, you can able to use for JSON file. Okay. Instead of JSON template, we can able to use for JSON file. Now our CSV data values are coming from uh, CSV file, and that particular date we are replacing into JSON value. Okay. How you can able to do? Okay. For this, I'm going to creating for one file. Uh, devices.json. Okay, devices.json I can able to mention, and then we can able to use for ts04 underscore json data.js file. Okay, now from template 3 I can copy that entire things. I'll paste it here. Okay, and then here we are going to use for our template, which is this one. Okay, this particular template I'll copy and paste it here. Then I'll use for the format of this. Okay, and here I'll replace into name value and generator value and price value like this. Okay, and I'm going to do in format. Okay, this is the format I'm going to use. Okay, now from here, one second. Now we have read for CSV file. Okay, similar format we need to read for sorry, JSON also. Okay, from that what we can do here, before default export functionality, before that, okay, here I'm going to use for constant, that is a JSON template, right? I'm going to use the template. Okay, template JSON a dot a parse. Okay, open devices dot JSON file. Okay, this is my parse JSON. Okay, from this particular template what we can do, from here we can convert that parse JSON into a normal string. Okay, payload string format. Okay, JSON dot a string format of my template. Okay, this template we converted. From this particular place, what we can do, we need to replace these devices names and all. It is coming right from CSV file. Those names we need to bring it here. Okay, here device name and device dot generation and device dot price and device dot capacity is there, right? That particular value we have to replace. Okay, from here what I can do, that and replace. Okay, and here first we need to bring it this particular this name. Okay, from here I can pass it here and then comma devices dot name. Okay, and then we can use for a dot replace, again generative of generation, and similar format we are going to use. Okay, for structure format you can use the format. Okay, it will take the correct format. Okay, now here what you can do, I converted into a JSON format, right? no, sorry, I'm just replace those values inside the string. Now this is contain the string. Okay, this particular payload, if you mouse over, you can see let payload is a string format of data it is having. Now that entire values got converted, right? Now again I'm going to do for parsing. Okay, this entire things I'll remove. Now JSON dot parse. Okay, what I need to pass? Payload string, which I have already converted string format here and replace those values, and then I'm going to converting back to payload format. Okay, this payload again I have to use here, right? Then again I need to use for string f. Okay, here JSON dot strings format. Okay, now you can see now that entire thing comes into string format. Now my header is presented here and the params is here and everything. Okay, now we'll see. Now four values and you can see status got part four times checking cases. Okay, and no failures and four times hits and 11.1 and timings and everything it is presented, right? Iteration got four times. Okay, even request body and response status and everything is displayed here. Okay, like this we can able to use JSON data dynamically changing from uh, in runtime. Okay, anything like you can store into a CSV file, I can modify into JSON data and then you can able to reuse. Okay, what is the difference between the previous here and here means you can see a single line you can able to use this particular payload. Okay, only addition this line. Okay, if we can able to keep it for single line, there are two lines it will be finished. And here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that, four different kind of lines it need to be understand. Here you can see these the values you can able to understand quickly. Okay, I hope it this entire information help for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.